Presenting Samsung Galaxy Z Flip with 12 plus 12 megapixel dual rear camera and 10 megapixel front punch hole camera in the color black. This new age smartphone comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. The smartphone has dual 4G SIM with dual standby. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip comes with 6.7-inch HDR10 Plus dynamic AMO LED display with FHD Plus resolution. It also has side fingerprint scanner and face recognition. With 12 plus 12 megapixel dual rear camera setup, enjoy crystal clear pictures. The wide and ultra-wide angle feature lets you capture more in a single frame. It also has 10 megapixel front punch hole camera for instant selfies. The Android version 10 operating system with Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core processor lets you multitask with ease. 3300 mAh battery runs longer with a single charge. The box includes the handset, non-removable battery, Type-C earphones, travel adapter, USB cable A to C, USB connector, eject pin, clear view cover and user manual. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty for the device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for the in-box accessories including the batteries. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.